guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gloria. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If it's not, there's an rude. So today I'll be showing you how to style the knotless braids. This is a knotless braid. It's old already, and I think this particular style is called watermelon braids here in Nigeria. I don't know what, maybe they call it coily braids, coily knotless braids generally, and it's really pretty because I didn't want my curl so defined, so I didn't do the twisting method and all that. So but it's really pretty, as you can see. Ashakara too much. So I'll be showing you like 8 or 9 or 10 or 7 ways to style these braids, and I hope you stick with me, and I know you enjoy this video. Just stay okay. Subscribe, like, put on your notification bells to get notified when I post a new video, please. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so usually to separate the curls, I use my baby conditioner to keep on, like, to maintain the curls and separate them when they get like really frizzy. But for this styling, we're going to be using this hair clip, hair pins, regular hair bands. I use the full hair band for styling. My hair wax, my nice G hair wax finish. So using this particular hair wax, what's the name? Papaya Plants Extra. Yes, so I'll use this for my edges, my clips. These very cute scrunches. Can you see them? Very cute scrunchies. And these scrunchies were made by my friend, or I'll put her link down in the description box. So these scrunchies are very, very cute and very nice, and let's see what we can do with them.
So for our first style, this style is really simple and quick to do. It's easy as well. You just need to like pick out some in the front and roll it and move it to the back. This style could be used to go to school, could be used to go to work. It just has this professional, simple, not doing too much hair. Also, if you want to spice it up, you can bring out one in front or bring out 2, depending on what you want. I think bringing out just one is like really professional. It gives it this mature yet cheeky look. For our style 2, this is like one of my favorites, and this style is actually really cheeky. It gives you this versatile flexibility. You could do anything you want with it. You could bring it in front, you could go to a party with it, you could go to work with it, you could go to school with it. It's just very, very nice. Then you could equally like make your back a donut, although I didn't make mine. You could use your scrunch as well at the back to hold it. It's just like really versatile and flexible and really pretty as well. You guys should try this. So for this style 3, I feel this style is the real definition of not doing too much actually. It's so simple, so beginner friendly, anybody can do it. Just take one part of it, take one part of the front of your hair and roll it. Take it to the back. Very simple, very cheeky, very classy. Don't do too much. For this fourth style, it's giving Little Mermaid, it's giving Rich Kid, it's giving Block Kid, it's giving everything soft. Like, it's so pretty and it's so simple. And yeah, I recommend this particular one if you don't have strength to do anything serious. If you don't have strength to pack anything, just do this one. This is my favorite style of them all. This fifth style, this is not doing anything at all. Just leave the hair to fall, do your shakara, do your thing. Just leave. Or heat in this country, heat is probably going to kill you, but enjoy the moment. Enjoy, like, why not? You see this sixth style, this one is for the serious minded aunties and sisters. Like, this is your basic everyday packing and going to wherever you're going to, the grocery store, church. Basically, you just don't want to do anything. The brothers should like you like that. And this style, you probably keep a very serious face, like I'm not smiling with anybody kind of face. But then I used this scrunchie here, and it was like really so pretty. I liked it, and I think you guys should get this scrunchie from my friend. I don't know, you guys should get it. It's nice, it's portable, it's durable. Can also bring out in front too. Yes, that's to like reduce the seriousness of the hair or the packing. This style 7 is similar to the previous style. The only difference is that you use your hair to tie this one, and then you make a cute knot behind. The knot I made was really simple, but if you're like really into the knotting thing, you can make a bow or any other pretty tie. Yes, so that's basically what this one is about. You can use it for the same purpose as the previous one, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, for this style 8, this one is also my favorite. I know you guys will be like, is it everything that is your favorite? But I don't like it that is doing too much. Basically, just shift it to the side and make a side pattern and be going. You're good to go. You're still classy, you're still cheeky, you're still pretty. Don't do too much. In life, you must not do too much. It's funny how I was only going to do like 5 styles or 4 styles. Now we are number 9. Okay, let's be moving. This particular style, this one is for the big ladies. Don't mind me. This one is just like an illusion of, if you know how headband wigs are. So this could be like that headband wig to look like a headband wig, but you could also just use fancier headbands. Or I went for black because black is basic and simple and still very cheeky, and it matches with what I was wearing. So yeah, that's it. This boss lady, we don't do too much. So for this style 10, I'll not lie, this is not one of my favorites. I honestly would not rock this on a normal day, but then it's really pretty as well. I'm not going to lie that it's not pretty. It's very fine for those that like the 2 horns, as I would love to call them, but well, I don't think I'll be doing this. I wouldn't do this to go anywhere. Maybe if the next style, that's the one I would probably do, not the horns. Yes, but for this, it's fine, no doubt. But I'm not discouraging you. But personally, I won't do it. I won't use it to go anywhere. So for our final style 11, the last, not the least. So this is just turning the 2 horns, as I called it earlier, to donuts, and this is really cute. I think I can actually rock this one. I can actually go out with it without feeling like really awkward or strange. I don't know why I will feel awkward, but then it's just me. So yes, I've come to the final part of this video. You guys should please help your sister grow on YouTube. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Yes, do well to engage me. Please, nice comments to Oli. Please, nice comments only. Don't come and be bashing my father or somebody. Yes, so you guys are the best, and thank you for sticking with me all this while. I think we're going to hit 200 subscribers soon. I think we're at 199, and like, I'm really excited. I'm so happy, and the views are just really encouraging.